We're out here on a beautiful Friday morning at our tower near Lumsden, Saskatchewan, and we just hung some new Tarana BNs on the top. You can see them up there, and then got all the cable running down the tower. Good morning.
Good morning.
And now we've got the cables all ready to go here for the 3 BNs. Just gonna route them in and get the power supplies and fiber all connected up in and get these babies online. Okay, so we got all 3 fiber cables running. Get that tidied up. DC runs are in. Now we're making the cables look pretty.
Can't put them side by side.
Don't have port lights. Oh yeah, we do. Power up. We got radio waves flying.